the large ship suddenly sank, creating strong winds in the surrounding small ships. Everything was shaking, wild and tense. The husband was working hard to dismantle the wall when suddenly it collapsed. Luckily, he was safe. The apartment building exploded. In a moment, the whole building collapsed. The explosion was loud. Dust covered a corner of the sky. A scene both terrifying and overwhelming. A series of buildings were detonated simultaneously. The explosions were loud. Each building collapsed perfectly. The smoke and dust swirled like a grand dance of destruction. A moment that was both pleasing to the eye and majestic. Wow, it's a small tornado in the volcanic area. What is this phenomenon? Can anyone explain it to me? Oh my God, that looks dangerous. The sky was filled with thunder, lightning flashed continuously, and the sound of explosions shook everything as if threatening everything. The atmosphere was tense, and the witnesses could only hold their breath and watch. The mountain collapsed with a loud crash. Rocks and soil swept away everything. Danger was everywhere.
At least one stretch of river was blocked by a landslide in Manzanares Caldas.
Look at the smoke.
What the
Dude, that's some alien shit.
No, I've been seeing that.
You understand what the heck that is? Look. Sky's tripping. Big time. Big time, baby. Big time. Look at this.
Poor car owner.
Diretto davanti a me. Direttissimo.
Hail fell heavily by the pool. The small stones splashed water. People looked up at the sky in surprise, but still kept a safe distance. Heavy rain created a flood. The raging water lifted the whole house in the middle of the river, swept it away intact like an unwilling boat. Oh my God, that startled me. news is that she is okay. The rocks and soil from the mountain suddenly collapsed. Large pieces of rock crashed down with a loud noise. Dust flew everywhere. Everything shook.
What do you
Let's
think?
see how he destroys the building. Luckily, no one was hurt. Hope he and the house are okay. Once in a million years moment. It's snowing. It's hard to control a container like this. The man was driving when suddenly a strange object flew straight into the windshield.
One in a billion moments in nature caught on camera.
Strong earthquake makes river water shake continuously. The icebergs slowly melt, then suddenly flip over, revealing the transparent ice underneath, creating a magical and enchanting scene.
Incredibile, l'iceberg che si gira.
A tsunami hit Japan and swept away everything in its path. Hope the driver is safe.
That's it? Wow. That's what happens when you hit a water line.
Oh my God, is this house about to collapse?
Earthquakes remain a major fear for many people.
The howling storm swept everything away. The tall trees were broken and fell like matchsticks. Mountainside houses were swept away one by the flood, floating in the raging water, little by little disappearing in the violence of nature.
Ôi 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 à có người không ngà 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 sao kìa ôi
Look, even the sturdy bridge could not withstand the force of the floodwater, swept away like a small toy in the midst of nature's fury. Oh my gosh, cars are stuck in the ice in the middle of the water. Hope everyone is safe and no one is hurt. Natural disasters always remind us of the terrifying power of Mother Nature and the importance of being prepared. Learn how to protect yourself and your community, because safety is always a top priority. If you find this video useful and want to update more interesting content, don't forget to like, share to spread the message, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. Thank you everyone for joining us.